Do you think the MacBook Touch Bar is useless? If you do, we are on the same page. I found it since purchased the MacBook Pro because I'm used to work well with physical keyboards that allow me to do things quicker instead of touch. So I did some research to see what we can do with this virtual bar, and it's come with some incredible results. And in this video, I will show you 3 things that you can do with your touch bar, so let's get started. The first thing that I recommend you to try is AV Touch Bar, the application that allows you to create an audio visualizer for your touch bar. Even though it is a paid application, but the price is really affordable. So you can get it from $4.99 for the lifetime license and update. After install, make sure you check the startup guide real quick to understand and customize it based on your own interests. So basically, it's very easy to use. Once you open, you will have to select the audio source for the touch bar visualizer, then click the visualize button, and at the same time here, there will be an icon on the touch bar. All you have to do is touch on that icon to start. Very easy, right? This application comes with many preset colors that you can select instantly, but you can customize by your own style and save it for later use. For further customization, you can take a look at the advanced setup and try different settings like FFT value or the bar width. Another cool thing is you can monitor the visualizer with some gestures. So hold it to toggle the control strip, single tap to change color, double tap for mute, or slide your finger left or right for volume alteration. Wanna play game but not on your Mac? Here I will show you the game that you can actually play on your touch bar. It calls Touch Bar Space Fight, which is pretty fun and is free. So you can get it by click on the link in the description below. Now launch it and use your arrow keyboards to move the spaceship and hit space for shooting enemies. The last thing that I want to show you is the haptic touch bar application. So another paid app for $4.99, plus you get a free trial for the first 40 days. So what it does is actually give you a sound or haptic feedback every time you touch on your touch bar rather than silent. Once you install it, it will appear on the top bar of your screen. Here you will have some basic settings like sound effects, haptic intensity, and some advanced options for you to customize. So that is pretty much for the video. Thank you for watching. Tell me on the comment what you think, what features that you like the best, and what other things that you do with your touch bar. This is Tommy and I will see you on the next video.